Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you two ways to join a Zoom meeting using a meeting link and using a meeting ID with a password. Let's get started. If you don't have the Zoom desktop app installed on your computer yet, download and install it first. You only need to do this once. If it's already installed, you can skip ahead to step 2. Step 1. Download and install Zoom. On Windows, open the Microsoft Store. On Mac, open the App Store. In the search bar, type Zoom. Find the official app called Zoom Workplace and click Install or Get. After it's installed, search for Zoom on your computer. Tip: on Windows, you can right-click the Zoom icon and choose Pin to Taskbar, so it's easier to find next time. When you open Zoom, you can sign in with your account or simply join a meeting without logging in. Step 2. Join a Zoom meeting. Option 1. Join with a meeting link. If you're given a Zoom link, simply click it and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be taken straight into the meeting. Option 2. Join with a meeting ID and password. If you only have a meeting ID and password, here's what to do. Open the Zoom app and click Join. If you're not signed in, it may say Join a meeting. Enter the meeting ID and type in your display name. Click Join. When prompted, enter the meeting password. Once you've done that, you'll be taken into the meeting room. And that's it. Now you know how to join a Zoom meeting both ways. Thanks for watching.